Do you know how to properly maintain handcuffs? We'll find out in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have to take a test today, on a special test on using handcuffs here. So these handcuffs are really old, but they're still working. These are at least 10 or 11 years old. These Peerless model 700s. I'm pretty sure that's what they are. Anyways, these dudes were pretty stiff, right? So a little while ago, I was spraying WD-40. I sprayed it in every crevice, even the keyhole and the double lock. Even there. Oh, where's it at? There we go. On the keyholes, I've sprayed WD-40 on keyholes before, like they're super stiff or whatever, and they always grind, you know, always grind the key and mess it up a little bit. You spray the keyhole here, especially if they're old, it loosens it up, right? Open this up here. You can see those two grooves in there, one on the left, one on the right. I sprayed those. I sprayed the pivot right here. I sprayed the gears right there. Sprayed in just about every crevice I possibly could here. Don't really need to spray the chain, but those are the basic areas that you need to spray with WD-40. I also use this stuff when I'm shining boots and that stuff gets on my hands or whatever. You spray that stuff, it gets the grime off your hands a lot easier than soap and water. Soap and water won't really get that stuff off. There's even this like orange spray, but I don't even know what that's called. WD-40 helps for squeaky doors, it helps for locks, and it helps for handcuffs. So this stuff is able to catch a lot better than it was previously. So be enjoyed.